I'm Eric Polley at ericpolley.com, and we have 80 seconds to animate an ocean or lake. Let's jump into Blender and create a general new project. Let's just use the default cube, go down to your modifiers tab, add a modifier, and let's go down to physics, and we're going to create an ocean. With this, let's pull up the timeline a little bit so we can see exactly what's going on. Go down to time in that modifier that we just created and hit the I key. Let's go down all the way at the very end of your timeline, and let's just scroll real far on that timeline and hit the I key again. It'll change yellow when you know that it's fully animated, creating a keyframe. Let's hit play and see what that looks like. There you go. You have a basic ocean or lake, and this will work great for a typical animation. Thank you for watching. I will see you on the next one. Haha!